Hello, friends! Today we're going to learn something super useful, how to find the perimeter of a rectangle. Ready? Let's get started. The perimeter is the distance all around the outside of a shape. Imagine you're walking around a rectangle. The perimeter is how far you walk. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, all we need to do is add the length and the width together, then multiply that by 2. Easy, right? Let's do an example. This rectangle has a length of 4 units and a width of 6 units. Let's find the perimeter. First, we add the length and the width. 4 plus 6 gives us 10. Now we just multiply that by 2. 10 times 2 equals 20, so the perimeter of this rectangle is 20 units. Let's review. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, just add the length and the width, then multiply by 2. Simple, right? Now go measure something around you. Great job today, math champions! See you next time for more math fun.